This event brings together Hanwha's top reseller partners along with some technology partner sponsors to come together and learn about Hanwha's strategy for the year and have some networking opportunities.
We started the event with Hanwha's president and senior management talking about what's going to come in 2026.
We had the welcome dinner on the beach, which was really amazing.
These events really allow us to grow the network, talk to people, listen to people, understand what the new challenges are coming, and learn about new technology.
We had a drone show with all kinds of future technology showcase.
There's been a few opportunities for us vendors to see the visitors, the partners in the vendor hall, show what we are doing together with Hanwha, and for them to get into breakout sessions and learn more about what's to come in this year.
The partners that are here, they already know the basics, so at something like this, you get to skip past kind of the introduction, to skip right to some really nice conversations about big projects and how to collaborate.
If we didn't do events like this, I think we're missing an opportunity to get much more intimate communications and connection between the different vendors, the partners selling and implementing their solutions, and all the ecosystem that comes together in these events.